Tammy Jones with the OSU Extension Office in Pike County, and I'd like to invite you to participate in an upcoming program that actually myself and the Jackson County Extension Office are partnering together to offer in a 6-week nutrition and cooking class for adults. The program is called Cooking Matters, and it will be held in Jackson County at the OSU Extension Office on Standpipe Road. This class is free, and it is being sponsored by Adena Health Systems. So the way to get registered is if you are a patient of Adena at any of their locations, you can call in and register just by giving the name of your physician, and we can get you registered for this free 6-week cooking and nutrition class for adults. Again, it's going to be held in Jackson starting on Tuesday, November the 5th. The class will run from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and every session of the 6 weeks involves nutrition education as well as hands-on cooking and taste testing of the menu items and the recipes that are prepared by the group each week. And in addition to the preparing of the food, individuals that participate in the class actually get to take home groceries to make one of the recipes made in class for their families at home. So it's a great opportunity to have some new kitchen and cooking skills as well as education on healthier eating and preparing of foods, as well as the hands-on experience of getting to try the recipes out, work in groups, work in teams, actually taste the recipes, and then take home ingredients to make recipes at home with your family. So this is a free cooking class sponsored by Adena Health System. And it will be held at the OSU Extension Office in Jackson beginning on Tuesday, November the 5th, starting at 10 a.m. If you are interested in registering, you can contact the Jackson Extension Office there on Standpipe Road. And Karina Dickens is actually the contact person that you would reach out to there to let her know that you are interested in registering for the class. The only thing is you do need to be a patient of Adena Health System. You may go to the Jackson location. You may be a patient at one of their other locations in Pike or Ross counties. You just need to be an Adena patient in order to be enrolled. We do appreciate their sponsorship of this program. It allows us to offer this 6-week nutrition education and cooking class for patients of Adena, and it gives us an opportunity to help others change maybe the way that they shop or maybe the way that they eat. And speaking of shopping, one of the great things during the program is that we actually do a little field trip and go to the grocery store for an actual shopping tour. So we work in class and we talk about nutrition education and the things and the changes needed to maybe prevent someone from that's pre-diabetic to becoming diabetic. It might lower cholesterol rates, lowers your risk of cardiovascular disease. You can do all of that by just changing your cooking and eating and shopping habits. So the neat thing about the class, it provides you that information, and then we actually take you to the grocery store to actually get to practice the things that we are learning during the program, in addition to the weekly cooking. So if you are interested, you can contact the OSU Extension Office in Jackson, and that person contact is Karina Dickens, and you can contact her there on the screen. You can see her email and the phone number for the office to get registered. You just need to be a patient of Adena Health System, and obviously be an adult. This is the adult program that we'll be offering, and it is free to anyone that is a patient of Adena. Just give Karina a call, get registered, and we will look forward to seeing you on Tuesday, November the 5th for the first class of the 6-week class, and it will run from 10 a.m. to noon.